In this video, we listed the 5 best gaming keyboards on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AULA F75 Mechanical Keyboard. The AULA F75 is a customizable and versatile mechanical keyboard designed for desktop use, featuring an 80-key layout with a 75% compact form factor. It offers both wired and wireless connectivity through Bluetooth 5.0 and 2.4 GHz options, making it suitable for a range of applications, including gaming and multimedia. The keyboard boasts an RGB backlight for enhanced aesthetics and functionality, and its hot swap capability allows users to easily change switches for a personalized typing experience. Additionally, it features full anti-ghosting and multimedia keys while maintaining a stylish design without wrist support. With a durable construction and availability in various styles, the AULA F75 positions itself as a high-quality choice for users seeking performance and customization in their keyboard. Number 2. AJAZZ AKA20 Keyboard. The VGN AKA20 Pro is a versatile, high-performance mechanical keyboard designed for both gaming and office use, featuring an 82-key layout with hot-swappable switches and multicolor RGB backlighting. Constructed with durable PBT plastic keycaps and employing dye sublimation printing, this keyboard ensures longevity and vibrant aesthetics. It supports a 2.4 GHz wireless connection, making it suitable for desktops, laptops, and tablets, while its ergonomic design includes a multifunctional knob and dynamic RGB effects. The keyboard is CE certified and designed to cater to various applications, ranging from gaming to multimedia tasks. Additionally, the product is offered with advantages such as wholesale discounts and drop shipping options, underlining customer satisfaction and service as top priorities for the retailer. Number 3. AULA F87 Pro. The AULA Wolf Spider F87 Pro keyboard is a versatile mechanical keyboard designed for desktop and tablet use, featuring a compact 87-key layout. It offers multiple connection options, including Bluetooth, USB Type-C, and 2.4 GHz wireless, providing flexibility for different setups. The keyboard boasts RGB backlighting, enhancing its visual appeal, and is designed to be hot swappable, allowing users to easily change switches without soldering. Although it does not include wrist support, it supports ergonomic considerations and multimedia function keys for improved usability. Available in a standard style, this keyboard caters to gamers and general users alike, with certification from CE and availability for wholesale and drop shipping. Customer satisfaction is emphasized, with attention to timely shipping and support for order protection. Number 4. AULA F75 Pro. The AULA F75 Pro is a high-performance 75% layout Bluetooth wireless mechanical gaming keyboard designed for versatility and comfort. It features an 80-key configuration with high-quality PBT plastic keycaps that are side-engraved for clear visibility, even in low light. The keyboard utilizes hot-swappable PCBs, allowing easy replacement of 3-pin and 5-pin mechanical switches, and is pre-installed with either Leobog Reaper or Star Vector switches that boast a lifespan of up to 60 million keystrokes. With Bluetooth 5.0 and 2.4G wireless connectivity options, as well as a USB Type-C wired connection, the F75 Pro is compatible with various devices including desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile phones across different operating systems. Its gasket-mounted design includes premium silicone pads for enhanced noise reduction, creating a comfortable typing experience. Additionally, the keyboard offers customizable RGB backlighting and macro programming through dedicated software, ensuring users can personalize their setup to their liking. With a robust 4000 mAh battery, this keyboard caters to gamers and professionals alike, providing reliability and performance on any platform. Number 5. CIDOO QK61 Compact Keyboard. The CIDOO QK61 is a 60% compact keyboard with a VIA programmable feature, offering powerful customization options through their VIA software. It has tri-mode connectivity with wired, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Bluetooth options, making it perfect for on-the-go use. The keyboard provides a photocopy typing experience with its sound-improving materials, ensuring an enjoyable typing experience. With efficient shortcuts and a 3000 mAh battery for long-lasting performance, the QK61 is designed for portability and convenience.